Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Canva. Open the design you'll edit and select a text element immediately. Click the text to reveal the top toolbar, because that's where the font menu and size controls live. Once done, open the font dropdown and skim the list. You'll see your current font highlighted. Make sure you're in the right page or layer, otherwise you may change a hidden or locked element. This first move places you exactly where font changes become direct and predictable. Now choose a new font from the dropdown. Hover or click to preview it live on your selection so you judge fit quickly. Then tweak size, weight, letter spacing, and line height from the same toolbar to lock in readability, because typography is both aesthetic and functional. Once you have a candidate, apply text effects like uppercase or small caps and adjust color to create contrast. Make sure to test on different canvas sizes. Responsive designs can shift spacing, so check. If the built-in fonts don't work, upload a licensed TTF or OTF via BrandKit, then apply that font to your text. Once applied, use apply to all or copy style to other text boxes to ensure consistency across pages. When you're satisfied, export with fonts embedded, choose PDF print for print jobs, PNG/JPG for web images, or share the editable link. If fonts look off, a quick troubleshooting tip: clear browser cache or reopen Canva. Cached font files can cause mismatches, so refresh and reapply.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.